Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, the desk is absolute carnage. I was going to clean it all up first and then start filming, but I thought I'd show you how messy it's got. Now, for those of you that know, I've just got back from holiday, so I've actually been away for a week, and that is the reason it's so messy. I've literally picked up a lot of these parcels from the post office today. They're parcels that I missed while I was away, and they've just been literally dumped on the desk, but you can see it is an absolute state. Usually when I'm not on holiday, this is pretty much left set up all the time, so that whenever I want to film a video, I can literally come straight into this filming space and start filming a video. But like I said, because I've been away, it's almost turned into a little bit of a dumping ground. So I'm trying to get a little bit of order back here. And like I said, I thought I'd start filming the video just to show you the reality and the kind of behind the scenes of my setup. So there we go, very, very plain at the moment. I still need to get some items back out of storage because a lot of the stuff is still in storage from when I went away. Got these bars here that I unpackaged the other day that I took away with me. And for those of you that have been following my videos while I was away, you'll know that the reason I've been collecting the 1 ounce silver bars again is because I want to get one of these display stands completely filled with 1 ounce silver. So that's the reason that I've been picking up some 1 ounce silver bars. I've literally got no backlights on or anything. It's very, very plain today. Let me try and get some lights on there. There we go. A little bit of lighting on there. Let me dull this a little bit. There we go. We're starting to look a little bit normal again. There we go. We're starting to have a little bit of normality back. So yeah, the plan is to get this filled up with 1 ounce bars, and we're pretty much there now. I've got a couple more items on the way, and once they all arrive, we're going to be pretty much there with that. And then this one here will be coins / rounds. I'm not sure exactly where it's going to go in the setup yet, but I'm going to have a little jiggle around. Got what we got here. Oh, this is some old circulated currency from different countries. But yeah, I really need to have a kind of tidy up because it's looking very messy. That was from one of my videos that I went away. I actually ended up bringing that home. So when I was filming that video talking about reasons why people invest in gold and silver, I found this cool little zombie toy thing, and this was actually in the cottage where I stayed. There was like a whole load of toys, and that was there, and that's one of the props I used for the video. And I must have actually put it back into my bag when I put my silver and that away, because when I got home and I was unpacking, I found it. So I've actually stolen that, if you like, from the holiday cottage. So yeah, next time I go back there, because I do plan to go there again. My mum often stays in that holiday cottage. My brother stayed there as well. It's kind of like something my mum discovered, and we've all been kind of going there and staying there. So yeah, next time I go, I'll have to take that back, or I might even take a different toy to replace it with, because I quite like this. So what do you think? Do you think I should keep this, make it a permanent member of the set, and I'll take back some different toys? I'll maybe take some different toys. I'll maybe take 5 toys, for example, to replace it, because it's literally just like a huge tub of toys that people have kind of added to over the years from when they've stayed in the holiday cottage. So it's not exactly stealing from a shop or anything like that. But yeah, I quite like it. I think it's quite cool. It works quite well when you're talking about kind of zombie apocalypses and things like that. You can really zoom in and put him next to silver pieces and stuff like that. So So yeah, I might end up keeping hold of him. We'll have to see. But yeah, this is the rack I'm trying to fill with 1 ounce silver bars. I'm going to fill that back up when I get some coins out of storage. I'm going to put coins on that one. I think that'll look quite cool. But yeah, today's video is not really anything planned. It's just more of a chilled one to show you a little bit behind the scenes. I've actually got myself a whiskey glass here. This is one of those new ice cubes. Now, they're good in the way that they don't dilute your whiskey. I was trying to get the lighting right. You can tell I'm a little bit rusty. Yeah, they're good in the way that they don't dilute your whiskey, because it's not like an actual ice cube, but they don't make it as cold as quick. So that's the only thing I've found. I really like when I have a whiskey to have it ice cold. And I suppose the only other option is to actually store the whiskey in the fridge, I guess, or in the freezer. I don't know if it would ice over. And that's my only criticism with these alternatives to ice cubes. They just don't make it as cold, even not just as cold as quickly. Even if I was to leave that there for say 5-10 minutes, it still wouldn't make it as cold as an actual ice cube. That's the only thing I'd say about those, for those of you that are thinking about getting some of those. Do you know what, let's make this video a little bit more interesting. Let's do an unboxing. So I've got a lot of parcels, a lot of packages that arrive while I was away. So we could actually do an unboxing. Let's get some lighting going. Make it a little bit more acceptable for a video. I still can't get this lighting right. Here we go. Like I said, you can tell I'm a little bit rusty because I've forgotten what setting I have this light on. It's hard to get it just right because you don't want it too bright. And you don't want it too dull either. So there we go, that will do. So let's see what we've got here. So we have quite a few items. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can see I went a little bit crazy, and some of these items I was actually buying while I was on holiday. I don't know why, I was just going on eBay for some reason. I was going around and researching sellers, and yeah, I picked up a few items from eBay, which is unlike me really, because I don't often buy from eBay. I've lost count now of how many items I've put up there, so let me know how many I've put up there. I think that's it for now, and then I'm expecting another 3 parcels this week. So we've got quite a lot of stuff to get through. I've got Europa Mint, which is another mint that is going to be sending me some silver to showcase on the channel. So they've actually sent me 6 coins. They should be arriving at some point this week or next week. I've also got the Pressburg mint. They've sent me another coin as well, so that'll be cool. So I've got quite a few bits to showcase on the channel coming up, but let's go have some whiskey. It's a bit of an all over the place video today, so I hope you're bearing with me. Right, we're going to go for this one. Like I said, I've ordered a few bits, so I'm not really sure what is in each item. So we'll just do one. I wasn't going to do an unboxing today. It was more of just a kind of an update, a little chat, behind the scenes of my setup when I'm not filming in it, and when I go away and I put everything away. It does look very, very bare. Like I said, I've got some bars there, but I've got nothing on there. I just need to get to the storage. The storage location that I use is, the main one I use is not actually at my house. So, yeah, it's a little bit of a headache. So when I go away and I put my YouTube stack into storage, it's a little bit harder to get to. It's not as easy as I just come home and go in my safe at home, because yeah, I don't like to keep stuff on my premises. I like to keep it at different locations, so it's a little bit harder to get hold of. There we go, that's better lighting. So yeah, I need to get it out of storage. But let's go straight into this. Sorry the video's all over the place. I hope you're still watching along. Now, I think this is from eBay. And like I said, I've ordered a few different things, so I'm not exactly sure what we've got here. But Let's have it now. Wow, okay, so this is actually one of the cooler things that I've picked up while I was away. So this is a Royal Mint 1 ounce Three Graces bar. And for those of you that have been watching my videos where I was in a dilemma of whether I should cut the Three Graces bar out or not, well, I actually decided to cut it out, and that is because I ordered this to replace it. So I believe the mintage on the Three Graces is 35,000 in total, but they only put 7,000 of them in these blister packs. So really, really low mintage in these blister packs. I quite like that blister pack. Look, it actually dips down a little bit, so it kind of makes it kind of 3D almost. It stands up a little bit. So I hope the lighting is doing it justice, because like I said, I'm a little bit rusty on the lighting. I haven't got all the lighting set back up properly yet, but absolutely gorgeous piece of silver. Now, I do think the 1 ounce silver bars from the Royal Mint are going to perform very, very well over time, because the Royal Mint have actually stopped producing 1 ounce silver bars now. Now, I think it was Future Investments that brought that to my attention. And if you look on the Royal Mint's website, they no longer produce any 1 ounce silver bars. So you're not going to be able to pick up 1 ounce silver bars. I don't know if it's a publicity stunt and they're going to start producing them again in the future. But for now, they've said they're not going to be producing any more 1 ounce silver bars. So yeah, any of these kind of older pieces could potentially hold a nice premium in the future. So yeah, so that is the reason why the Three Graces, and I don't know where it is, because I just noticed it's missing from there, so I'm not sure where the Three Graces has gone. But I have actually got a Three Graces that I cut out of the original Mint packaging and I added it to my YouTube stack. And that was because, like I said, I've replaced it now for this one. So this one's going to go in the deep stack. This one definitely will not be cut out. Like I said, only 7,000 of these are in this blister pack. Let's get this lighting up a little bit. Absolutely gorgeous bar. And I was never a massive fan of this bar for a long time, but I kept seeing it pop up on more and more channels, and the more I saw it, the more I started to like it. And as soon as I got it in my hand, in my possession, I realised I was missing out, because it is actually a gorgeous piece of silver. So, yeah. Thanks for those of you that have got this in your stack and you've been showing it on your channels. So, yeah, that's going to go in the deep stack, the long-term stack. That will be tucked away. So you probably won't see this again on the channel, because that will be going into storage. But you will be seeing the one that I cut out of the wrapper in a previous video. That will be added to this stack, so you will still see the Three Graces, but you won't be seeing that one, because that's gonna go into storage now. But yeah, I'm gonna wrap up the video because I don't want it to be too long. But that's the video today, really. It was an update video to show you a little bit behind the scenes, tell you what I've been up to. And like I said, I've got a lot of parcels that I am going to be unboxing. I've got different mints that have sent me things. I've got those wallets that I need to show you. They're really, really cool. I've got a company that sent me some wallets to showcase on the channel. And they're actually trackable wallets. So if you lose them, there's an app on your phone that actually tells you where your wallet is, and you can track it anywhere around the world. So yeah, really, really cool piece of kit. And I will be showcasing that in a future video. But yeah, thanks very much for watching. Sorry it's a little bit all over the place. I hope you enjoyed the update. Kind of an unboxing as well. Cheers. Thanks for all the support, and I hope you have a very nice day.